The air defense system mount missiles in launch position, the radars scan the sector. The command post orders to destroy the enemy unmanned aerial vehicle. One target is usually neutralized by one missile. Exceptions occur regarding large and high-speed targets like Tochka-U missiles. This system has destroyed a large number of the Bayraktar-TB2 UAVs in the beginning of the special military operation. The Buk-M2 efficiently neutralizes projectiles, launched by HIMARS or other multiple launch rocket systems. This air defense system can engage tactical and strategic aircraft, helicopters, short-range ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, air-launched missiles, anti-radiation missiles, guided bombs and other aerodynamic vehicles. It is claimed that this system has advanced hardware and can operate in heavy enemy jamming conditions. A Buk-M2 vehicle is fitted with radar, digital computer, missile erector and launcher, friend or foe identification system. It is operated by a crew of 4 and carries 4 missiles. The Buk-M2 surface-to-air missile system uses a 9M317 solid fuel missile. This missile was first used on older Buk-M2 that was adopted by the Russian Armed Forces in 1998. This missile has a maximum range of 45 km and altitude of 25 km against aircraft. It can engage tactical ballistic missiles or cruise missiles at a maximum range of 20 km. Minimum range of fire is 3 km and minimum altitude is 15 meters. The missile has a 70 kg high explosive fragmentation warhead. Kill probability of a ballistic missile with a single missile is 60 to 70%. Kill probability of a helicopter with a single missile is 90 to 95%. In case of emergency, missiles can be launched against contrast surface targets, such as ships.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.